चप्पलहरू पनि निकाल्यो What up, buddy? I'm still eating all the roasted up chicken. It's whole chicken. It's whole roasted chicken for my security guard dog. See? No joke. It's okay, I guess he's shocked too, you know. Is this a dream? I think he's thinking, is this a dream? Oh, how am I getting a whole chicken for dinner? It's a dream. It's impossible.
भोलिदेखि कुखुरा खोर खाली छ भने त भाइ
Impossible. Have this. Nah, have this. Have this, buddy.
कुन चाहिँ टोकुङ टोकुङ भइसक्यो
I'm gonna chunk it up for you. Real good.
चाहिँ ढाड
Real good.
खुट्टा नदिए अहिले पहिले मासु थिएन खुट्टा लास्टमा हो त्यसको हड्डी
I'm gonna chunk it up.
मासु चाहिँ दिएन
For this guy, real good, okay? Because this guy doesn't know how to, you know, make its own bite.
कस्तो फ्रेस मासु दामी
Here you go.
होइन ठुलै दियो त्यसलाई ठुलै दियो
Have it properly.
ठुलै खान्छ त्यो गम गम मासु नि
Have it properly now. Here you go. Here you go, buddy boy. Here you go. So this is how you have to feed your dog. Once a while. Once in a blue moon, okay? And then
खाओस् न अरे यिनीहरूले पनि होइन
people at the house know once एउटा life हो है. It's only got one life, so let him have it well. We're still alive. Yeah.
उता
gonna be a-
उनको पखेटा उता साथी गएछ बिचमा दिएको
Remembrance for this guy. I once had a whole chicken. He's going to talk about this for a very long time to his friends.
बुढो भइसक्यो कुकुर यता त
Plus he's old. Yes.
दाँत पनि अलिक के छ नि त यसको कमजोर त्यही भएर उस्तो अस्ति ठुलो तगडा कुकुर हो भने त फेरि राम्रो नि पहिलाको टाइममा हुन्छ यसले अघि
Old guy, no. So he's taking up his time. Like
भित्रको उतीहरू पनि निकाल्नुपर्छ है अपरेसन गरेको छ नि यसको
operation. Now the operation begins.
आम्मामा फ्रेस दामी हो यो नि आम्मा
Have this.
यो हो त्यो खानु निकाल्यो
Which one is the bitter part of this, you know?
त्यहाँ यत्रो हुन्छ सानो
Choose the bitter
हुन्छ यसो यतैतिर हुन्छ त्यो देखा त त्यो यता पल्टाएर त्यो तातो त एउटा सानो हुन्छ त्यसकै त्यहीसँग जोडिएको हुन्छ
Not
त्यो
here.
त छनु छ त्यो भित्र
Oh, the,
त्यो अलग्गै त्यो फाल्नुपर्छ त्यो त त्यो खाँदैन त्यसले
for. Yes. Silly box, let him come.
दामी गर्नु है
This one is the bitter one.
हेर्नु होइन त्यो
You don't give
त्यो होइन
this to.
त्यो पनि
Yeah,
होइन यो हो हेल्दी
This is called, I don't know, some organs above, just above the liver. So this is very, very bitter in taste. It makes the whole, you know, meat bitter if, you know, left there and cooked. There you go. सर्दैन त चाहिँ
तान त
सर्दैन गर्छु नि I guess is full. This guy is full, I can tell.
यो तान त
He is very full. It's full. It's to the brim.
खान्छ नि के को फुल
But he is, you know, he can't believe his eyes, even his stomach, I guess. What the heck is this? This guy just can't believe what he's having.
सक्छ हेर्दै है खाइसक्छ बिहान हुन्छ यसलाई ब्रेकफास्ट
So I'm thinking
अर्को आएर खान्छ नि फेरि
I'm gonna keep this
उयो रेड बकेट हालेर गएर
for him for tomorrow morning because he couldn't gulp it the whole chicken. Who can, you know? He's an old dog. So
यो पनि छुरीले काटेर के हो
this is
यो पनि
for
छुरीले
tomorrow.
काटेर यो छुरीले काटेर मजाले बनाएर दिनुहोस्
कटाइदिँदा हुन्छ.
होइन यो त दिनु पऱ्यो नि
This is for tomorrow, huh?
यो झन् त्यसको
This right here is for tomorrow.
यो झन् त्यसको बेस्ट हो
योहरू
यो झन् बेस्ट पार्ट हो यो झन् खान्छ नि त्यसले
it's too much for this guy.
हौ त्यो चाहिँ खानु दिए है यिनीहरू त खान्छ
बिस्तारै खान्छ है. So let him have
यो
this.
तान त
यो जाते
हौ त्यो त निकालेर त्यहाँ भित्र जातिको त्यो चाहिँ फाल्नुपर्छ यो भित्रको
भित्रको फ्याल्नु है. यसरी how do we
त्यो भित्रको त्यो चारो हुन्छ गाडी हौ त्यो चाहिँ फ्याँकेर हौ त्यो फ्याँकेर बाहिर खान्छ त्यो कर्ची मर्ची
नि त हो कि तर यो कसरी उयो गर्ने
यो पनि तान्छ यो पनि खान्छ यो तान्छ एक
यहाँबाट रहेछ नि त.
खा बहिरे खा यसले यहाँ चुज गर्दै खाँदैछ नि त खा बहिरे खा बेसी भयो यसले के गरौँ गरौँ भएको छ उयो बट्टाको खानु खोज्यो कि खाएन नि
No, this is not your dinner tonight. This is gonna be for
यसले
tomorrow.
खान्छ खान्छ यतिकै राख्दैन
यहीँ राख्दै. Okay, so here we
यो
are.
चाहिँ फ्याँक्नुपर्छ है
यहाँ देख म पठाइदिन्छु.
अरू सब खाने हो खा बहिरे खा मजा क्रक क्रक खा
Happy birthday. Old dog.